C7, the HOA Homesteader. And as you can see from the backdrop, I'm going to be inspecting my beehives this morning. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Yes, it's been a while since I've been in them. As you can see, or if you can't see, I still even got those feeders on. So with my vacationing and the weather, and then the horrible weather, which was Hurricane Ian, I have not been in those hives in over a month. It's time to go in. I believe the honey flow should have passed. They should be full of honey. And let's just hope that they're disease free. And I'm gonna break the hives down a little bit and get ready for the winter. With that said, guys, let me finish getting dressed and get to it. All right. Oh, and in advance, I'm gonna thank you now for visiting my channel and being part of C7, the HOA Homesteader. With that said, don't be bashful about subscribing to the channel, leaving comments, hitting that like button, and the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to see my videos when they're released. All right, let me get to it. All righty, let's do this. Just a whole bunch of ants in the feeder. Eggs and everything. Surprise! Nothing. All these months, month and a half, nothing in the super on this one. I'm gonna replace those 2 frames I pulled. Early October, and I'm not seeing that much honey at all. I'm trying to combine those 2 supers. Like, I would like to remove one of them altogether, so I'm trying to put the ones that they were starting to build out on down to the lower one, and hopefully in doing so I can replace it. If not, I'll put it back on top, but they're going to be mostly empty, and then when I do my next inspection, if it's still empty, I'm just going to remove it for the winter. right, first hive is done. Once I got down to the bottom, almost all the brood frames were just cells, empty cells. So gotta do some research, find out what that means. Is it normal for this time of year? She cuts back on the amount of eggs that she's gonna lay, or is it a problem? So I gotta find out. I think I'm gonna let the bees settle down and actually inspect the second hive tomorrow. With that said, I am done for today. You guys have been with C7, the HOA Homesteader. And once again, I always thank you guys for stopping by and visiting my channel. I hope you do it again. And remember, once again, let's go through it. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave comments, and hit that notification bell. All right, this has been C7, and I'm out.